What's up YouTube, welcome to Code with Lakshit. In this tutorial I will explain you how you can find the sum of your array. So let's begin. First of all, let me tell you that I will use Davy C++ for this tutorial. So you have to do the same with code block. You just have to run the program which I will write in this Davy C++. So let's begin. First of all, we will include iostream library. For that, simply type include iostream, then using namespace std, then int main. After that, we will declare some variables. First of all, int sum, then comma int size. We will put it as 0. Then we will declare our array. Let's say we want the size of the array as this size. We will first take the size of the array from the user, that how many digits he want to calculate. Then he will enter the digits, then we will sum up them and put the output. So I will show you how you can do that. So put the size here, then we will declare this I variable. After that, simply count, enter the size of the array, then put comma, then kin, then put size, then put a for loop. In this for loop, put this I, comma, you can do also like this in I, but I have defined it earlier. I should be less than size. Also we have to do I equals to 0. I should be less than size, then I plus plus. This is our basic code. Then we will ask the user to put the values. Simply put in array, then put the I here. After that, we'll put the sum variable, then sum plus equals to array I. So what this is, it first get the value of this I, then do sum of this, then this add will in sum, then it will add same in this. Let me show you in the easy language. Sum equals to sum plus array. This code, this upper code is same as this line. What it means is that in some variable, it first put the value of this and add this. Initially it is 0, you can see that. Then again for the other value, it will take this value and add to this previous value. Then it will do for next and add to the previous value, then for next, and so on. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. I will definitely clear your doubts. But it will be nice if you put this sign here. After that, simply put count, total, put can, sorry, not can, put sum. So let me execute this program. First, you can see that we have to put size of the array. Let's say 4. Then we have to put the objects of the array. Let's say 3, 4, 5, 6. It will give the total of the array. So thank you. This is all for this tutorial, and meet you in the next tutorial.